Can you believe this is my very first time trying crochet human hair extensions, and after I did, I was absolutely blown away by how realistic and versatile they are. So comfortable and weightless, it literally feels like it's my own hair. With this 360-degree install, the possibilities are endless. So let me show y'all the process. So this is from a company called EayonHair. I got the 22-inch water curly crochet, and I got 5 bundles. When I first took it out the pack, I was immediately impressed by the quality of the hair. Very soft, and I didn't notice any initial shedding or tangling. In the packaging, these tools were also included, which definitely came in handy for easy installation. First thing I did, as with all my extensions, is wash it. I put all the bundles in a vinegar and shampoo bath, let it sit for about an hour, then air dried overnight. Now on to setting up the base for this style. I'm first parting about a 1.5 inch section in the front of my hair. Gonna twist that up to keep it separate, and if you don't plan on wearing your hair in full updos, you can stop right here and make this your only leave out, but I want all the options, so I'm gonna continue by extending that section all the way around the perimeter of my head. Now once I have this halo done, I'm going to take the rest of my hair, add some oil, and then cornrow that entire middle straight back. I made 6 cornrows, then I just took the ends and plaited them all together. Brought the ends up, pressed flat to my head, and sewed it down in place. Pretty simple, and that's my braid pattern for this install. So now this is what each crochet piece looks like. I'm gonna fold it where the string in the middle connects the hair, slide the crochet hook under my braid, add the hair onto the open hook, close the latch, slide it to the other side, then bring the ends of the hair through the loop, and finally pull to tighten. It's really so simple and quick to do. That's something I really love about using crochet hair, but with this, that little string in the middle, it helps it feel way more secure to my head than when I use the synthetic crochet hair that I get like from the beauty supply store. No double looping is required with this hair. I had no issues whatsoever with any pieces falling out or unraveling. And then another plus is how there's basically no tension at all to your scalp with this. Of course, I installed the hair all the way up each braid. At the back and on the braids right next to my leave out, I placed the crochet hair closer together for more coverage, but on the other cornrows, I spaced them out slightly more so my look wouldn't be too full. And this right here is one bundle installed, so you can see this hair has a nice density to it. For my entire head, I ended up using slightly less than 3 bundles, and now I'm going to release my real hair that I had twisted up. Look at how nicely it covers everything, and I can get it super flat. So now it's time to do some blending, help get my hair to better mix in with the curly crochet hair. First, I'm spraying with a generous amount of water all over. Next, I'm taking some gel and working that into the extensions and then into my leave out. I'm doing this until each piece of my hair feels really wet and slippery, and after I rake through with this detangling brush, my hair will start to curl up, which is exactly what we want. And I pretty much keep going around section by section with the water, gel, and brush. I did this to the side and the back leave out hair as well. Around my front, I'm applying some edge control. Brush it back and do some shaping. I tied it down with a scarf and let it air dry for a few hours, but you could also use a blow dryer and diffuser if you want to speed things up. And this is how it all turned out. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. And quickly switching up the parting or the shape is a piece of cake. It just feels so effortless. Like I went to sleep and woke up with this hair growing out of my head. It's light as a feather, doesn't feel like you have anything attached to your head at all, and it's such a breeze to work with. It's basically get up and go hair. Now my real hair is shorter than the extensions and it's a tighter texture, so to help it blend a little more, I like to take small pieces of the crochet hair and twist it in with my hair, which makes it look like it's all flowing together. And I don't mind the tighter roots. I actually think it helps it to look more natural, but you could also do a rod set to get a more similar curl shape. I'm so obsessed with all the ways I can style this hair. I can do a half up, half down, and even if the wind blows, it's still looking on point, super undetectable. And I love how full this hair is, but it's not too much. It definitely looks believable. Plus this curly crochet is extremely easy to tame. If you want to put it all up, you can do that with no problems. It can get really compact. Just all the things you can do with it make this such a good option if you're looking for versatility. Plus the entire time I wore it, I had no shedding and zero tangling. This install is so low maintenance. I treat it just like my real hair. If I want to wash it or refresh the curls, I wash as normal. And I really appreciate that I have free access to my scalp. Helps get things super clean and also helps my hair dry fast and without having a weird smell. Removal is also quick and easy. Just slide the end of the comb underneath the loop, pull so the ends of the hair slide back through the loop, and everything comes right out. It's very gentle and it's all intact to be used again. So these are easy to put in, they're easy to take out, and you can install the same set over and over again. And like I mentioned before, the shedding was practically non-existent, so I foresee these crochet pieces lasting a really long time. After removing them all, just keep them together, bundle them up so they'll be ready for the next install. But yeah, y'all, I am in love. This water curly crochet from EayonHair certainly gets my stamp of approval. If you want to get some for yourself, check the link in the description box below, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.